Jesus.
Clapped. Super clapped.
I mean,
It's
at least
92 SI.
So
at least
clapped.
they're not asking much more than scrap.
Right, like that's $50 over scrap price in my mind.
Yeah.
Had a hood dump at one point.
Look, you got another thing.
Oh, god damn it. I just read that. That's fucking hilarious. Sorry.
I'm not your
bro.
bro.
That takes respect.
Yeah.
Damn, Donald.
Damn, Donald, doing me dirty.
He's not even
Well,
answering your question.
You should have put I'm not your you should put okay.
I don't want to get your burner account banned.
So he's
Yeah,
not
I'm not trying
gonna
to get banned off of here.
ask him if he's gonna answer the question or what.
Don't text people at 10 at night. It's just...
What a fucking idiot.
Yeah, we'll keep that going.
Yeah. Oh, the other guy replied now too.
Jesus. Go to sleep, you stupid kid.
I can't top that.
Oh, we got a 96 EM1.
Oh, he
or
responded. He
EM...
responded. Donald.
You should be smarter.
Jesus.
Is that racist? That's racist. Is this a hate crime?
I am really curious. Like,
Oh, he blocked me.
Fuck you.
I just wanted to know what the fuck was going on with
What
that
a
thing.
fucking piece of shit. Oh my
Oh,
god.
Dude, he racisted me and then just
it
bounced.
was
And
a
mother-
simple
Like,
question.
are you trying to sell the car or not, you stupid piece of shit?
So I don't think Donald will be getting on our Patreon anytime soon. Not a friend of the pod.
Yeah.
Doesn't
What a
sound like it.
dick.
Meanwhile, Nazi person selling a ring, friend of the pod.
Yeah.
Super cool.
Super cool.
Got a bunch of Rams. Got a Dakota. 265,000 miles on this V8 Dakota. Yep.
Yeah, it's a truck.
As is. 4-wheel drive. Got the 318 in there. $1,000 takes it.
That's a lot of as is. There's something horrifically wrong with this truck.
Sold as is, no trades. 94 Dodge Dakota 318 5-speed 4-wheel drive, 265,000 miles. Motor burns oil but starts and runs, shifts fine. No pop-outs. 4-wheel drive works. Has almost new tires. And
Almost.
has a new alternator. And over the past year has had a new radiator, water pump, clutch fan, thermostat, intake, plenum gaskets, valve cover gaskets, Flowmaster muffler, battery. Truck needs work and has some rust. $1,000 takes it, and does have newer head unit with kicker speakers and subwoofer. With it, clear Maryland title, sold as is. Pickup in Hancock, Maryland, cash only, no trades.
I mean, for a fucking off-road truck, yeah. Sure,
Yeah, for $1,000.
Yeah.
Because in the
said-
great
Kitty
state
said-
of Maryland, that will never, ever, 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 ever pass state inspection.
Kitty said
I
that the no pop outs is a deal breaker.
So Maryland has.
I like the roll bar. Very 80s.
I think
So-
Kitty misunderstood, but that's okay. I'm gonna guess that this thing is completely rusted away underneath, and also Country Boy is buying it tomorrow.
Now, Kitty said now that in the pic it has pop outs. I don't think Kitty understands what a pop out is.
Yeah, pop-out's like he was talking about like the transmission popping out of gear.
Yeah.
Thinking pop out windows. Yeah, I got you. You're thinking of the cigarette smoker windows.
Yeah.
Yeah. The it's raining, but I get to open the windows anyway. Windows.
The triangle ones.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it does have those pop-out windows. Yeah, it's
call
comfy
it-
as fucking here.
Yeah, we call it in America we call them cover windows.
It's clap, but it's got 5-speed swap parts. Those are rare from our.
Why do we call them comer windows?
Because you come through them.
Oh, okay.
God damn it!
That's pretty straightforward.
Anyway, here's an
Oh, it's the
E350.
Haggard van.
Yeah, it's the Mint van up in Saskatoon. It's on Stars. It's cool. Or similar.
Methods? Is that what they were?
Like a podcast chat.
What?
I sent that guy a message and I said, "Hey, what's up with the cluster? It's off and automatic. Also, could I get the VIN?" And that's what he came back with.
He's trying to fight you.
Bring $1,000 and you can have it.
This guy's
Tell-
such a such a prick, man. Like, he has people. I mean, obviously, we're not gonna buy it, but we might, you know. And he's trying to be a dick about it.
I just wanted to know why his shit's all weird.
Just put question mark. Put like 3 question marks and be like, so what's up with the dash though?
Is it an auto? Is it a stick? Does the cluster swap? Help me out here, Donald.
See if he'll give you the VIN before you meet up to fight.
Oh, that's nice.
MX-6 with 84,000 miles on it, $5,500 at what looks like a dealership.
Yeah, I don't know if it's worth 5,500, but
That's
fuck,
by
it's
owner.
nice. It's nice.
That's dealer. It's got some sort of curbstone or a dealer.
This car is crazy nice.
Yeah, this is Clayton. Well,
No, that's
Okay,
the bottom. That's the bottom of the trunk.
yeah, it's like the underside of the carpet.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
That's a fucking weird ass Survivor. This is like one of those things that'll end up on Doug's and Bids and do like 17 grand for absolutely no reason.
No, this will probably do 6 or 7 on Tugs and Bids.
Yeah, but you put this on Bring a Trailer, you might be onto something.
I don't need to do much more than that.
Well, it is an auto.
All it takes is 2 idiots that want this thing and have more money than sense. Like, we've seen that how many times?
That's true. 83,000 original miles on this thing. Pretty cool. Not much to say about it. That seems like a pretty reasonable price at $5,500.
Yeah, 4,000. I think that would be like the snatch it price.
Yeah. Pretty cool. Here's another C4.
$4,800 though.
$3,800 for the C4. 64,000 original miles. Relisting, not holding, cash sale only, firm on price. 1987 Corvette. Car runs and drives. AC just serviced. New battery, fuel pump, and fuel regulator. I have new weather stripping for it. $800 worth of new weather stripping. Clean title. Clear coat is fading and interior needs attention.
All right, how bad is it?
It doesn't look bad so far. It really doesn't look that
I
bad.
was gonna say.
Oh, okay, here we go. The seats are all kinds of fucked up.
All right, so it needs a seat.
Yeah.
Okay, just put some buckets in it. All right,
Yeah,
all right.
seats are
not that bad.
cancer.
Needs
Clear
Paint.
coat's gone.
Paint's pretty cancer.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a future Lemons car is kind of what we're looking at.
Yeah.
No,
like,
If somebody figures out how to drift a C4, these cars are in trouble.
Say, like, I think, yeah, I feel like
Can
this
you
is the
drift a
Corvette.
C4?
Oh yeah, I feel like this is
Surely.
the Corvette you buy and figure out if you can drift a C4 or not.
What's going on here?
It's an auto, but
Oh,
What's
that's
the
It's like a heater pipe or something?
heater core.
Yeah,
Yeah,
the
that's
heater was looped.
Yeah.
Yeah, he bypassed the
Yeah, it has a leaking heater
heater
core.
core.
I mean,
Well, anyway, these things are cheap.
if you're a high school kid, I mean, I guess that's fine.
Sure.
He wanted what, 3,500?
$3,800. And this was only listed 8 hours ago. These are getting cheap. Find a stick. Figure out if you can drift it. Ruin the C4 market. Got a dump truck.
Hell yeah. Dude, that's
we
dumping.
should figure out what we know less about: dump trucks or motorcycles.
Well, see, like that. See, I feel like I would know a little bit because I know enough about hydraulics to be dangerous.
Aren't hydraulics dangerous?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think, isn't just being involved in hydraulics danger on its own?
Oh yeah. I mean, like high pressure and shit, man.
There's some interesting listings down here. We'll get back to that. But 79,000 original miles on this on this guy's uncle's F350 dump truck. He can no longer drive because Fortis Health and our family has no use for it, taking offers.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
OBS dump truck.
Yeah, I was gonna say $6,000 sounds like a reasonable price for that.
You're gonna
Sure.
make money with that truck.
You could start your own landscaping business with that truck.
That's probably what this guy was doing with it, honestly. Here's another Corvette for $100.
There's
And
no way.
here's office desk, yes.
Yes.
And it's like a single mom. And then here's whatever is going on here.
Dude, yeah.
And
And yeah, okay, all right. Let's
You
start
see
at the
that
top
boomer
with that.
bait?
let's see here.
Parts.
Parting out, skip.
Oh,
Hell
What the
yeah.
man.
Fuck.
It's a Mercedes
yeah,
Gazelle
dude.
built on top of a 1980 Ford Pinto
Sick.
with 7,000 original miles.
Bro.
I feel like there's some famous people in Germany that rode these in the 30s and 40s, but I can't quite put my finger on those friends of Pod.
When the interior of your car looks like a boat from the fucking 70s.
Yeah.
I
Well,
can't
it's pretty wild.
I can't quite put my finger on it, but I can hold my right hand up.
Your right hand? Yes.
That's right hand. Well, it's nice to see that these kit cars are not going up in value.
Yeah,
So
they never
Neither.
will.
What
Dude,
could
there's
you
one
possibly
thing.
do with this?
That's for parades
World War II
and
reenactment?
your other elitist friends.
Also, it's got like Carolina squat. Like, look at the front end. It's
Grow
all
one of
jacked
those.
up.
The original Carolina squat.
Grow one of those curly boomer mustaches and wear a flat top hat.
Yeah.
The Kraut squat.
MR2 listed 2 months ago for $3,900. This is sold, guaranteed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rip.
3,800,000 mile 2000 Toyota MR2 Spyder sold for $26,000 on July 5th. I don't know why we were looking at this.
I
It's
think it
sold
was
after
mainly
yours
just
sold.
to make you cry. Yeah.
Yeah, it says 3,800 miles. I mean, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is probably the high score for a ZZW30 at this point.
On Brang and Trailer, yeah, it is.
Pretty cool. Ew.
What the-
Oh God, kill it with fire.
Fucking rap.
God.
Yeah, that's cars and bids.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it is cars.
Got HREs,
So,
though. I
100%
mean,
cars and bids.
Buy here, pay here.
it's got HREs on
They
it.
put rap that looks dirty. But
Yeah. Yeah. It looks like scraped on the front end, but I think that's just the wrap.
It's just the rap.
Okay.
That
Yeah, I
that
mean, how's-
industrial rap.
How's the paint under the wrap, right? Like, if that's white with those gold HREs, hell yeah, dude.
I'm
Got
curious
that
if this
all
was like
day.
a salvage or some shit. Because who the fuck would do this otherwise?
Did the Goon Squad buy this?
Now this is a truly serious R8 build.
That's a SEMA build, that's why. It was built for the 2020 SEMA show, where this surely would have turned heads. Okay.
Shut up, Doug.
What was the build? Just wrapping the damn thing and lowering it?
Hell yeah.
Who gives a shit?
But it's original.
It has that sweet, sweet shifter, though. Let's be honest.
Let's
Where's-
see.
And that's not sarcasm. I fucking want to try.
Jaded.
Oh, yeah, these are pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Huh. What's the price on this beast?
I didn't even know these came in gated shifters.
Why did they build a 2009 Audi R8 for the 2020 SEMA show?
Right, what did they mod it with? Like, what's the...
Carbon fiber wrap.
As a wide body kit and air suspension and wheels.
Yeah, that's basically it.
Okay. Huh. All right.
Meh.
Here's this.
Yeah.
Magnum SRT8.
Hell
Damn.
yeah. Big old 5 spokes.
Yo, it didn't sell though.
Shame.
I don't...
Why? What are these
They didn't-
worth?
They didn't make a ton of them.
This
The
was pretty
problem was they
gross.
all looked like that.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Yeah, they all got the need for speed treatment. Which is unfortunate
Look,
because
it's got a roof.
Got the
Yeah.
mid-
Got a big old dent in the roof.
It's right here.
That hood's aftermarket, too.
Yeah.
I think the paint is also. This is
Yeah.
it's kind of gross.
Yeah, that's why it didn't sell.
Yeah. But these are super rare, the SRT.
Yeah, no,
Magnums.
they are. And they're getting even more rare.
And this one is ruined.
Takes a special kind of person to drive a wagon like that.
Yeah.
He's hit some parking blocks.
Yup.
I think they're cool. If they would
Oh,
have
no, they are.
I do too.
they would have kept updating them, I think it would have worked.
Yeah. Especially stock. They don't look bad stock. Like this looks, you know,
Yeah.
it looks like what it looks like, but it just looks like a muscle station wagon stock.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
And it's supercharged.
What engine's in here?
6.1. It's
Reading.
they're all 5.7 blocks, but the heads were a little different, and Honestly, like I think if you were to put it in numbers, it was a 383 or something like that, or a 381.
Okay.
And then when like the new ones, they're 6.4s, they're 392s.
It says stock was 425 horsepower, and the ProCharger kit on here pushes that to 600, but there was no dyno to prove it. So that's cool.
Yeah, I believe it though. Still does burnouts.
Yeah. No, that's neat.